Okay, let's start my unboxing. The mystery gift from Anonymous. Mystery gift from Anonymous. What's inside here? I don't know. I don't know. Unboxing time. See? Big box. Woo! Okay, big box. Oh no, no. I have a bag. Gift is given to me by Anonymous. See? Bag has no name. I will not say anything. May nakita ka? Ha? No name. It's blank. Okay. Oh no. It will reveal. It will reveal right away. It has a two-way charging. Propeller guard. Propeller guard. Maybe it's airplane or what? Okay, helicopter. See this box? This is the propeller guard. Another toy again. Propeller guard. No name. No name. Woo! Yes! Oh no. Oh, I need to open this. I don't have no choice. I'm gonna reveal it now. The gift from Anonymous. Here it is. The drone. DJI Mini SE. I have another toy again. Whoa, so you guys have to watch. Huh? I don't know if I will open this. Do you want me to open all? Huh? And we can play the DJI SE. Just for a start. The drone again. Why? Oh, I know this. This is a small drone. But in US, I don't have to get a permit for this because it's below 250 grams. So I will enjoy as much as I can. Man, this is what I want for a long time. Finally, I got it. Maybe. Where is the knife? Here it is. The bag also. It's made by DJI. It's all authentic. DJI. It's all paper. It's all plastic. I don't know why they're doing this. Oh yeah. All plastic. So I don't know what kind of bag. I expect something that it's like a case, but I don't expect that I'm gonna get this. I thought I'm gonna get the case, but probably there's a case here. So anyway, this is all I can share for you. Oh yes. Wait for my posting. All drone shots. I have to read first the manual before I gonna proceed taking my video. That's all. And thank you for watching. Love you all. That's all. And good day, everyone. You see? Yes, yes, yes. So this is the drone body, and I need to check how to assemble this. Oh yes, I need to read the manual before I gonna unfold the front. Yes, this is the drone body. I think this is the controller. Oh, there's an extra propeller. Oh yes, this is the cord, USB cord for charging. I think this is the cord also for charging. I don't know that. Oh yes, it has 3. Oh, hey, it has a cute screwdriver. This one too. Probably this is for the phone, probably for the transferring on the phone. I don't know yet, but let's see. I have to read the manual first. So order is complete. Oh, this is order. Order is complete. I don't know how to connect. Oh, this is the controller. The controller is this one controller. So maybe I have to read first before I'm gonna try, or maybe this needs to be charged first. But anyway, this is all what I got. Huh? Oh yeah, that's probably that's a bigger one. So this complete my order. This is the drone. This is the controller. This is, I think this is the charger. I don't know other one here, but I'll check out the manual if my order is complete. A lot of time I'm gonna spend in the river, in the park. Wow, 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 wow. I will be the pilot again. You just finished watching my unboxing. Wait for my next posting and the kid will play his toy. DJI Mini Z. I'm gonna take a quick shot later on. So I'll hold on tight and we'll be back with the first try of my mini drone. What a wonderful day here in California. Sunny day. Thanks God. That's all, my friends. See you next time on my new video. That's all, and goodbye. You guys wait for the next posting. I do hope it will not be very windy so that I can play my new toy again and gonna behave like a kid. So thank you everyone for watching up to the end.